fold these, lift this side up, put it up down there, and this one, we'll remove this one, going up, press this, and keep removing, and it's up. This, let it down, lift this one, so it's going up there, and remove this, and there are the two holes here, and get this into the two hole there, and press this down here, and doing the same for the other one. So we lift this side, and it's going up. Clear this one, press this button, press this, and then put that one up. We also need to lift this one, make it a little bit forward, and then we have enough space to lift this up. And doing the same to get into that two hole. And this pushes down, so that the space you can create for this. To put it back, leave it up, don't put it on there yet. It's easier to get this in before you get it to the position. So we lift this up, we put it them in here to the position, and then we just push, see that pull button will be up, and then we take this, we just fold this down and push it back, and we're going to do this very similar. Leave it up, don't put it back yet, and take this out, and put this into the hole, push them in, and then just to put it. Okay, we have the belt behind this. Take the belt up, and then we can push. It's locked into position. And for this one, we just make it down, and we lift it back and press front. And here how we put it back.